So the first two videos, we talk about how to convert the recurring decimals to fractions. And the second video, we talk about how to use that shortcuts to convert the recurring decimal to fractions. Today, I'm going to go through a few examples just to illustrate how we can use what we have learned from the past two videos to solve some questions. So if you look at the first one, the first example shows it's 0.1 recurring on 1 plus 0.2 recurring on 2 and plus 0.01. So 0.1 is recurring and plus 0.02, 0.2 is recurring. So literally just two things to talk about, right? So the first one is you can try is just use the methods we talked about in the first video, how to convert from the recurring decimal to fractions, and literally change each one to fractions. So for example, 0.1 recurring equals 1 over 9. So 0.2 recurring is 2 over 9. And 0.01 recurring is 1 over 99. And 0.02 recurring is 2 over 99. So after you change that to fractions, then you can add them together. So literally what you have is, so when you put them together, so what you have is, so 1 over 9 plus 2 over 9 plus 1 over 99 plus 2 over 99. Then you can, this becomes the fraction addition, right? So you put 99 and here is 11 plus 22 plus 1 plus 2. Then you have 36 over 99. If you simplify that as 4 over 11. So this is the first way to solve this question. So the second thinking is this. So when you put it into, I'm going to copy that down. If you look at the second two, there's 2 digits is recurring. And look at the first two is on 1 digits. So what you can do is you can put in 2 digits for the first one. And then copy down the last two. And then what you can see is, so this recurring part can be added together. So literally it's 0.36 recurring. And then you can change that to 36 over 99. Then it's 4 over 11. So this is the second way of thinking and then how to solve this question. So now let's look at example 2. So example 2 is the regular fraction multiply recurring decimals. So what we can do is, well, so 3 over 11, you can copy that down. So multiply 2.4, 2.4 is 2, 4 over 9. If you convert that into fractions, and 0.6 is 6 over 9, literally it's 2 over 3. So if you simplify that, this is 3 over 11. So multiply is 22 over 9, multiply 2 over 3. Then you can simplify that. So this becomes 2, and then is 4 over 9. So this is how you solve example 2. Example 3 is talk about the recurring decimal and then addition and subtraction put into the fractions, right? So it's the same thing. What you can do is 0.3 plus 0.12 recurring on 1. Remember this here? And then divided by 0.3 minus 0.12 recurring on 2. So 0.3 is 1 over 3. Literally it's 3 over 9. And then 0.12 recurring on 2, if you remember, there's a shortcut, right? So it's 90. So 9 means how many are recurring. So 0 means this one number is not recurring. And you take the whole decimal number minus 1, which is not recurring numbers. And then you do the same thing on the denominator side. So what you have is 1 over 3 plus 11 over 90 and 1 over 3 minus 11 over 90. If you put it across, that's 90. So this is 30 plus 11. So this is 30 minus 11 over 90. So that's what you have is 41 over 19. So which is literally 2, 3 over 19. So this is how you solve example 3. So example 4 is the division of the recurring numbers, right? So what you can do is you can literally change that to fractions and then do the division. So 0.85 is 85 over 99. So 0.25 recurring on 25 is 25 over 99. So this is give you 85 over 25. Then you can simplify that. So this is 5, this is 17, this is 5 is 5. So 17 over 5. So it is 3, 2 over 5.